Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to share shopping cart on Amazon. For that, make sure you get the application and you're logged in. Here you can see I am into my Amazon account and at this home page. Now we will firstly select the item that you want to purchase or you want to add on the cart. Now for example, we will add this product in add to cart. Now to check that, there you can see the add to cart icon at the bottom. You need to tap on that. Now you can see your add to cart list over here. Now there you can see the option share. You need to tap on that. Now here you can see that you can share your shopping cart of Amazon using this various application. Now you need to simply choose the application that you want to share your shopping cart with and move to the further process accordingly. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.